Alright, let's have a look at placing and selecting objects. So this is a system that repeats throughout the software over and over again, so it's super important to know how this works. So let's say you want to place a new object from your library. You would go into the library here, so let's say we want to place a door. We'll go into my doors, and I will grab a single door here, for example. To put this door onto the facade, all you would do, you would left click once on the button, and you don't drag and push it in, but you just left click once, and then your item snaps to your mouse, and then you can just hover where you want to place the door. So let's say I want to place it down here. I will just put it somewhere here on the ground like that, and I will just left click to confirm. And of course we've got a cabinet behind, so this is a bit of a weird spot to put your door, but this is how you would place an exterior door here, for example. The same thing goes for windows and skylights if you're placing them on the outside. I'll just quickly get rid of this door here again by clicking the delete button. Now to show you how to place an object on the interior, I'll just disable my walls here for a second, and let's say I want to place something in this area here. I will first of all make sure that I will go a little bit closer to where I want to edit, and let's say we want to place a cabinet right here for some reason. And so we'll go into my cabinets, and we will grab a kitchen cabinet here, for example, and we just hover over the ground, and we'll left click to place. So this just confirms where you have placed the object. Great, so this is how you place objects. I'll just quickly delete this one here again, and if you want to select objects, it's very simple. You will just hover over the object that you want to select, and then you left click once, and it selects the objects, and all of the settings for that object will come up on the right here.